How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about ExpressVPN and Hotspot Shield. And hopefully after this video, you'll be able to kind of figure out which one could be the best choice for you. I'll be talking about speed, servers, support, ease of use, and pricing. But if you're interested in kind of learning more about these VPNs with regards to their privacy policies, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, and including speed tests, obviously, be sure to check the reviews down below. I'm going to include a full review of ExpressVPN and Hotspot Shield down in the description if you'd like to learn more. And you'll also find links to pricing and discounts, including the discounts that you'll see here today. Okay, so ExpressVPN is widely considered to be the best VPN currently available, both in terms of speed and security. Hotspot Shield is a popular free VPN, but how does their paid service stack up against the best of the best, being ExpressVPN here? It is indeed a tall order. Now, these two VPNs are vastly different in almost every way, really, especially regarding security. Hotspot Shield only offers 128-bit encryption and a proprietary Catapult Hydra option, being the protocol, of course. And if we just go to the settings right here, and you go to the protocols, there you can see their proprietary Hydra protocol as well as the IKEV2 protocol. You don't really get much more than that besides the kill switch and the smart VPN, which is pretty much split tunneling. So that's what you get, really. Now, in terms of features, these are the features of Hotspot Shield. You don't really get more than that with ExpressVPN, except for the fact that everything that ExpressVPN does, it just does better. So more servers, more protocols, and if much easier to use. Split tunneling feature, very obvious, very self-explanatory when it comes to using it, as well as a kill switch right here. And you've got a handful of protocols if you're interested in kind of switching it up, or you can just use automatic, and you have more servers. So with regards to servers, just talking about servers, you've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries with ExpressVPN, and over 1,800 servers in 80 countries with Hotspot Shield. Besides that, in terms of privacy and security, ExpressVPN is very well known for their well-rounded privacy, security, and anonymity policies. They do have a strict no-logs policy, and they uphold it to the best of their abilities. And they do have, obviously, evidence to back that up with their independent audits. There are no independent audits with Hotspot Shield, and they have been caught in a controversy before, where the Center for Democracy and Technology issued an open complaint to the Federal Trade Commission, where they were talking about concerns with regards to unclear data sharing and traffic redirection occurring in the free version of Hotspot Shield, which is the one you're seeing here, called Hotspot Shield Basic. So yeah, when it comes to their free version, they do have some questionable history. With regards to their premium version, I mean, if you're going to, that's the point here, really. If you're going to pay for a premium version of a VPN, will that be Hotspot Shield, or will that be ExpressVPN? Now, yeah, in terms of features, let's say security features and just general customization, they're pretty much the same thing. It's just that ExpressVPN gives you more variety when it comes to protocols and more servers and locations, as well as reliability, much more reliable when it comes to the speed and unlocking streaming services. So with regards to speed, again, if you're looking for speed tests, check the description down below for a full review where you'll be able to get all these details. But just quickly, really, ExpressVPN is always going to be faster than Hotspot Shield, faster by about 20 to 30%, really, which is a lot. And with regards to unblocking streaming services, ExpressVPN is known for being one of the best, if not the best, VPN out there to unblock streaming services, especially if you like to unblock Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, US Netflix, and whatnot. You have plenty of power here with ExpressVPN, plenty of unblocking, geo-restriction unblock power. And with regards to support, both of these VPNs are strong in the area of customer support. ExpressVPN gives its users a 24/7 live chat support, email ticketing, and a large knowledge base on its website. Hotspot Shield offers the same support as ExpressVPN with a slightly smaller resource section. In terms of pricing and ease of use, let's just get through the pricing real quick. This is the yearly plan, or the premium Hotspot Shield plan. And this will let you secure up to 5 devices per subscription. And here you can see all the benefits, and obviously unlimited bandwidth and whatnot. And you get all these extra little features, by the way, with the premium version. So it says here 4 applications included, and that'll include a VPN, an antivirus, a spam call blocker, and a password manager. So for $8 a month, if that's something you're looking for, then definitely, yeah, it may be worth your money. But if you're just looking for a good VPN that reliably unblocks geo restrictions and such, and you want something with a clean history, a VPN provider with a clean history when it comes to preserving your data and upholding a true no logs policy, then ExpressVPN will definitely be the one here, especially that it's just, it's cheaper. And with the link in the description below, you'll be able to claim 3 extra months. So it's not just 12 months, it's 15 months for the same price. Hotspot Shield is more expensive, and that's probably because they're trying to kind of sell you the package here, the entire package, for applications rather than just one. But if you're looking for a VPN, then you probably weren't looking for these applications in the first place. And with regards to ease of use, no other VPN can really beat ExpressVPN. Now, Hotspot Shield is pretty easy to use. As you can tell, you've got a speed test here, account options, the rest of the applications here that you can see. Just some about us, a support little part here where you can just access whatever support option you're trying to access, including the live chat, but you will have to subscribe to premium in order to access the live chat. And finally, you have your options, which are not much. Okay, and that'll be it for Hotspot Shield. With regards to ExpressVPN, if you notice here, they're both very similar, but the thing about ExpressVPN is that you don't really have to get through any icons in order to understand what this VPN does. Because the moment you go to your options, you don't have any icons, you don't have anything. All you have are these options. And for the most part, you're just gonna go to either VPN locations or options right here to just get through whatever options you're trying to get through. You don't even have to click the VPN locations here. You can just select this, just click that, and there you go. You can access all the locations. You don't really ever have to go to options ever again. You can just select the best performing protocol or just go with automatic. I definitely recommend lightweight UDP. It works 100% of the time, for me at least. And that'll be it. Whether you want to turn on the kill switch or split tunneling, it's just a matter of clicking. And yeah, the split tunnel the split tunneling feature will memorize your selected applications. So if you're trying to just work with Qubit Torrent, let's say here, you can do that. So yeah, it really is as simple as it gets. So that'll be it for this video. And by the way, both VPNs will allow you to secure 5 devices per subscription. And with regards to money back guarantees, they both have money back guarantees. Hotspot Shield with a 45-day money-back guarantee and ExpressVPN with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So it is a risk-free procedure if you would like to just try out one of these VPNs for free. Okay, so that'll be it for this video. Again, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. And comment below if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.